If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen and Travel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare no yeast Christmas tree pizza. Making Christmas tree pizza is very simple and tastes delicious. You can bake this pizza in oven or roast it on tawa. Let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare pizza dough. We need 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour, half cup yogurt or curd, lukewarm water, 1 to 2 teaspoons of olive oil or you can use any cooking oil, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar. For pizza toppings, we need shredded mozzarella cheese, finely chopped onion, tomato, capsicum, color bell peppers. Here I have taken tomato ketchup. You can use pizza sauce as well, or you can use creamy basil sauce or pesto sauce, red chili flakes and some black pepper powder. Let's start the preparation. Take 2 cups of maida in a mixing bowl. Add sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt. Mix everything well. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of olive oil, half cup yogurt. Now we have to mix this well and make it into a soft dough. Here I am going to use my stand mixer with hook attachment. Now we can start mixing it with low speed. I am going to add lukewarm water. Soft dough is ready. I am going to take out this bowl. You can see soft dough is ready. Apply little oil. Close it and allow it to rest for at least 1 hour. Pizza dough has been resting since 1 hour. You can see dough has doubled in size. Sprinkle little maida. And take out on countertop. Knead this for 1 to 2 minutes. I am going to divide it into 2 parts, one big and one small. We can make one small Christmas tree pizza on tawa and one big Christmas tree pizza on tray, and we can bake that in oven. With this big dough, we have to divide it into small 16 parts. I am going to take out these on plate. Here I have taken baking tray, greased it with oil. Now we have to keep these small dough balls as Christmas tree base for pizza. Our Christmas tree pizza base is ready. Press this little bit. Prick this using fork. It's time to apply tomato ketchup or pizza sauce. To make Christmas tree pizza green, you can apply creamy basil sauce or pesto sauce. How to make creamy basil sauce I have already shown in my previous videos. You can check that link in description box below. Keep this aside. Quickly we can mix our pizza toppings: onion, tomato, bell peppers, add 1 teaspoon of oil, mix this well. Now we can add these toppings on pizza base. Now it's cheese time. Add some shredded mozzarella cheese on the top of pizza toppings. Sprinkle some red chili flakes. Some black pepper powder. Drizzle some oil on the top so that vegetables will cook well. This is ready to go in preheated oven. Bake this pizza at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Same way we can make on tawa. Here I have taken cast iron skillet. This is not hot. I have already greased it with oil. Now we can make pizza base. You can use any sauce of your choice and any toppings of your choice. How to make Christmas tree bread I have already shown in my previous video. You can check that link also in description box below. I have kept the skillet on stove top. Keep stove heat to medium. Close the lid and cook it on medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes. It's 15 minutes now. Oven baked pizza is ready. You can see pizza has come really good. Tawa roasted pizza is also ready. And you can see pizza base is also cooked properly. It's very simple to prepare and taste delicious. Make this Christmas tree pizza at home and enjoy it with your family and friends. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.